Hey YouTube, it's Alex Combow here from Snowbound Apothecary. I wanted to talk to you guys today about diet. So the thing about diet is diet determines everything about us. Not only does it determine how much energy we have in the day, it determines our ability to remember, it determines our ability to be able to do more physically active work, and it also determines our decision-making ability. So how can something so simple have so much authority over us? The thing about humans is, as humans, we are a series of chemical reactions. Everything that we do is just a chemical reaction. It's just a series of complex reactions. That's everything we do. If you raise your hand, it's a complex reaction. So how does this happen? It's because the food that we eat is literally fuel for our body. In the same way that you think of fuel for an engine, like filling up your engine with fuel, that's how our body is with food. So when we eat, we want to eat good fuel, because if we eat bad fuel, then we will have a series of bad reactions. So let's talk about some of the ways that we can eat better. So a lot of people consider eating to be just another expense, or they consider it to be a way that they can get all of their pleasure by eating junk food, sugary food, sweet food. It's what we need to be active, to be mentally, physically active. So when we eat, we need to eat a healthier diet. We need to eat non-processed foods. We need to eat all natural foods, and we'll have more energy to make complex decisions because our complex reactions are more complex. So with all that aside, let's actually get into the series of debate of what a diet is and some of the ways that you can have a better diet in your life. So immediately I want to bring up the fact that fats are automatically considered bad. This isn't true. Saturated fats are bad. Unsaturated fats are good. Unsaturated fat is actually what your brain needs to be able to produce a chemical reaction that allows it to create new bonds. So the more unsaturated fats you have, literally the smarter you will become. So when we're talking about unsaturated fats, you've got to think of things like eggs, avocado, nuts, things like that will get you your unsaturated fats that you need. And not only this, but it will actually allow you to be less hungry throughout the day and use that energy not on snacking on things. And another way to feel less hungry is to drink more water. Your body can't really differentiate between if it's thirsty or if it's hungry. So that means if you are thirsty, extremely thirsty, your body is going to have that nagging feeling like you want to eat something. And this is because really you can get water from food, so your body can't really tell the difference between the two of them. So in order to feel less hungry, to not eat as much, you need to eat more unsaturated fats, eat more whole foods, and drink more water. So this means cut out the gross foods from your diet. Stop eating these. But you can't really just cut them out cold turkey, or you're going to crave them, and the cravings are going to suck, and that whole period of your life is going to suck. You're going to be a sucky person because all you want to do is eat these junk foods. So ways that you can cut junk foods out of your diet is to actually eat grapefruit, because grapefruit will get rid of that sweet tooth that we have. It automatically, the bitterness of it automatically makes us not want sweet things. So if you eat a grapefruit when you're craving something sweet, then it'll get rid of that. It'll satiate that craving that you have. Another thing that you need to have in your diet is omega fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. Now you can get this through eggs, you can get this through fish, or you can supplement it. What this does is when you eat sugars, it leaves little pockets in your brain of basically negative space that your brain isn't going to use. Now, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, what they'll do is they'll clear out those pockets, and they will allow you to access that area of information. So when you're first going on your no sugar diet, you're going to notice that your energy is going to start to come back, and you're going to start to feel less mentally fogged. Well, if you take your omega fatty acids, or you consume your omega fatty acids along the way, it'll actually expedite this process. So you will slowly actually have more brain power to devote to these types of projects. So I just wanted to cover those few little simple things about food in this video. That's really all I have for you guys. Start researching your own diets online and ways that you can fix your diets, and get off of the processed foods, because the processed foods are bad fuel for your body. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button for more, and I will talk to you guys on Thursday. Bye.